Pro storytelling designs come from strong flow, structure, and controlled framing. Today, how to design pro storytelling frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally or vertically to guide the viewer's eye. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient that complements the sequence. Add thin connecting elements like lines or arrows with reduced opacity. Duplicate one frame and place it behind with reduced opacity to create depth. Use position tools to align everything while preserving flow. Add minimal caption